Okay, so say you have these two decimals, this fraction, and this percent. And I tell you to put them in order from greatest to least. Is that possible?
Yes.
How is it possible? They're all different.
You can turn the percent into a fraction.
Change it to what you're most comfortable with.
I can change it to what I'm most comfortable with. What are you most comfortable with?
Decimals.
You're most comfortable with decimals? If I use decimals, what do I have to remember to use? What can help me? It looks like...
No. Wait. No.
What is this? This is called ones.
Ones,
Ten.
tens, and hundreds chart.
It's called the place value chart.
Place
Place
value.
value chart.
Okay, this can always help me. So do we want to change these all to decimals?
Yes. Well,
Yeah.
one's already just the 50%.
Okay, so just the 50%. How do I change
11 minutes.
a percent to a decimal? How do I change a percent to a decimal?
Just move the decimal.
Which way?
Left.
To the left?
Yeah.
I wish y'all could see Trevin dancing right now. Okay, to the left
Wait.
No, to the right.
or to the right? Is it getting bigger or is it getting smaller?
No, yeah, bigger. When you make it a bigger.
When I make it a decimal, is it going to get bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller, so do I divide or multiply?
Divide.
Divide, so I move it over. 1, 2.
Depends. The way you're standing, the way you're sitting, you're left and here's right.
Okay. All right. So right now we have 0.8, right? We also have 0.47, and then we have
I didn't even see those over there.
0.5.
Zero.
Okay.
Yeah.
Last thing I've got to do is, what kind of fraction is this?
Improper.
This is an
Improper.
improper. Why is it improper?
Because the biggest number's on the top and the smallest number's on the bottom.
Because
Don't you have to do typo or something?
yes, you can do typo. Very good. Okay, so we have 11, top in, bottom out. How many times can 9 go into 11?
Once.
Now what?
How many times does 9 go into 1?
And twice. Okay, and then I bring another one down. Then what?
Put another two, it goes in 2 times.
2 more times?
Now put the slash over the 2.
What? Why do I have to put the slash?
Because it goes
Keeps on
on,
going.
it just keeps going and going and going. And
You remember what the name of it's called?
No.
You said
V, vin, vin, vinculum. Vinculum. That means it keeps going and going and going and going and going and going. And, okay, and then I'll stop. Okay, so then now I have 1 point with the vinculum. Okay, so which one is my biggest one?
last one.
This one?
No.
Yeah, because it's got a hole.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's got a hole, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that would be 11 ninths. Then what? Which was my next one? Um,
8.
I'm going to look at
8 tenths.
here. What's my biggest number here?
8.
8. So now I have 8 tenths. And then what? 5 tenths, which was the 50%. And then now what?
0.47.
Last but not least, 0.47. So this is in order from greatest to least. Okay? So if I have a bunch of numbers that are in different forms, fractions, decimals, and percents, What do I have to remember, guys? What do I have to do in order to solve it? Can I do it in my head?
No.
What do I have to do?
Tybo or Tybo powers of 10.
Tybo powers 10, so I have to
Convert. Show where convert.
I have to convert.
It smells like vanilla and then it smells.
Why are you talking about how?
So, thank you for enjoying our video. Say bye, guys.
Bye.